Hi friends, this is my parcel from Buymall. I ordered some items that I really like. Let's check out. So I'm going to do the unboxing now. Well, I love to shop online and there are many items in Taobao at a very reasonable price, but the expensive air freight is my main concern. So recently, my friend introduced me to Buymall. It is an online platform that performs procurement service of overseas e-commerce market for Malaysians, especially those who love to shop at Taobao, China. Buymall offers Sea Freight Shipment that can help me to save a lot of shipping fees, and the transaction is so easy. So now I can even buy heavy and big items without have to worry about my shipping fees anymore. Hi, as you can see, all the products that I just unboxed are from Buymall. Now I'm going to show you how to order from Buymall. It is very easy, very user-friendly and simple. Let's check it out. Head over to Buymall website and these are the 5 steps to complete your transaction. Hey, check it out, all these products are linked with Taobao. There are so many items you can find here at great prices. First, you search and select the products you wish to buy, including the specification. Then you add into your shopping cart. Once you have decided, you can proceed to checkout and make sure you have sufficient balance in your Buymall wallet. Click Delivery, choose shipping method via VIP Sea Freight and go ahead to make the payment. Over here, you can track your orders when your products arrive at the forwarding warehouse and ready to ship. Then select your delivery method options, send to address pickup at Buymall warehouse or pickup at pickup point. Once you have decided, click Complete Parcel and make the final payment. It's done. Now I can sit back and relax while waiting for my parcel to arrive.